Sure! Here's the clear, step-by-step guide to making a soft and delicious Milo cake at home using Milo powder. Milo cake recipe step-by-step instructions. Ingredients: dry, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 g cup Milo powder, 50 g cup sugar, 1/00 g 1 tsp baking powder, tsp baking soda, a pinch of salt. Wet cup milk, 1 to 5 ml cup oil or melted butter, 60 ml 1 tsp vanilla extract, 1 tsp vinegar or lemon juice, cup hot water, 60 ml. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Set your oven to 170 C340F. Grease and line a 6-inch or 7-inch round cake pan with parchment paper. Step 2. Mix the dry ingredients in the large bowl. Add 1 cup flour, cup Milo powder, cup sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, tsp baking soda, a pinch of salt. Stir everything together while using a whisk or spoon. Step 3. Mix the wet ingredients in another bowl. Add cup milk, cup oil or melted butter, 1 tsp vanilla extract, 1 tsp vinegar or lemon juice. Stir gently to combine. Step 4. Combine dry and wet ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture. Use a spatula or whisk to mix gently until you see no dry flour. Don't overmix, just stir until everything is combined. Step 5. Add hot water. Now pour in cup hot water. Stir the batter again until smooth. The batter should be a bit runny. This helps keep the cake moist. Step 6. Pour into cake pan. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pan. Tap the pan gently on the counter to remove air bubbles. Step 7. Bake. Put the cake in the preheated oven. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Check with a toothpick or skewer. It should come out clean when done. Step 8. Cool. Remove the cake from the oven. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Optional: frosting or topping. This the top with extra Milo powder, powdered sugar, or spread chocolate or Milo buttercream frosting. Let me know if you want a microwave version, a steamed version, or a Milo cupcakes variation.